GoPro is the best in its class, making every other camera coming in the segment of action camera absolute. There are contestants for the GoPro, but none can beat it. Just making the point why I got the GoPro Hero 8. Now, let's begin the unboxing of the Hero 8.
I don't know how to open this shit, but I'll try to open it. I found it. Here it is. And there's a buckle here. I just open it up and slide out. So for this buckle, when you remove this buckle, then it opens up with the case. The main part where I open is here behind the thing. Just open it up. Ah, there fell something. I'll put it later on. Inside. All the accessories. There's an SD card reader, plug to charge the GoPro. Yeah, cord. Sorry, cord it is. Extra battery. 2 batteries are given because the holiday bundles is. And yeah, it's a mount. My friend is helping me, and this is the main thing of the video, where this is the GoPro. So this is the head mount. This is the sticker which is given in every ad you see. It is there. So this is the part where the rider is riding down the hill and everything. I'll put in the clips. There is a tripod and that much. That's the height. I think increases a little bit, and I don't break it now on it. So I bet the quality increase from this camera to this camera, because GoPro is about 36 and this is 5000. So I bet the quality much better, and I hope the quality is much better. Okay, I've got 2 more packages which I've got for GoPro only. So yeah, so 2 boxes. I think one is a cage and one is a screen protector. So this is the cage of Unanzi. I don't know the pronunciation. Link I'll put it down in the description. Okay, so this is the cage for it, for the GoPro. I'll put in the GoPro here like this. I'm not putting it down. I'll rest it later on everything. But this is the cage, and this is one thing. And what else is there? Yep. There's some stickers given from them, so you'll get the reference of it. The sticker for the GoPro, all the wipes and everything peeled off, and let's boot it if there's any power in it. How long it'll take to boot on? There's juice in this? There should be battery in it first. Yep, nothing. Let's see if it powers up. There's some juice. Oh, there is. And GoPro logo. Yes. How do I press English? Yes. And I think there's only 17% battery in this. Digital lens where there is super wide, linear, and close, narrow. Zoom in, zoom out. How much it can zoom out. Perfect. Nothing else. is the
ये
sticker is
बनेगा
there.
vlogger.
नहीं ठीक है
What
ठीक है
the? I can put on bloopers. This is a blooper.
थोड़ी ना सब डालना है क्रॉप
Yeah.
Like GoPro ka what is it that? Advertisement?
What do I know?
What do you say for that?
एडवर्टाइजमेंट
Advertisement.
Ad
Head.
head mounter. And still, I'll put the bloopers again. My friends are saying the head. This is a chest mount. This is a head mount.
पहले chest mount बोला तू.
I know.
केज
Cage.
Cage में.
गोप्रो के
Cage का. So this is a cage where I'll.
केज बोल सकता है ना मतलब कुछ कवरिंग देखा केज व्हाटएवर
Yeah. So
Wow.
तोड़ दिया
नहीं, that's it.
वीडियो का तो bloopers ही आने वाले.